Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw Kylo Ren's awesome lightsaber. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is very easy to draw. We can add in as much detail as we want, but first we have to draw out the sections first, and there's basically gonna be 3 sections. So we're gonna start out right in the middle. Just one long rectangle, and then we're going to draw 2 more of these, slightly different size. Okay, so that's the middle, and now let's draw in the front section. So right here, I'm just going to extend the line a little bit, and then I'm going to draw another rectangle again, almost the same size. Well, in terms of length, almost the same length, but it's a little bit wider. Then we'll close that off. And then we're going to draw one more on the back, and this one's going to be a little bit smaller. So you can make 2 little dots like this first. So just make it slightly thinner than the middle one that we drew. Alright, and then let's put in the major details up front first. So right here, just a small rectangle. So this is going to be the tip in the center. And then now for the one on the side here, just extend this line, come across, and then just angle it into the body here. Alright, and then to continue out here, just extend this line a little bit more. And the tricky part is trying to draw symmetrical. Alright, so just go up. And then just come in, just turn that into a rectangle. And then from here, we're going to extend it past this line. And then from there, we just kind of hook it back into that corner. Okay, so past that line, close it off. Okay, so that's the basic shape for this lightsaber, and let's finish out the back. There's a little bit more detail right here. So right in this section right here, I'm just gonna draw in 2 rectangles and just try to space it out evenly if you can. Just 2 long rectangles. And then on the back here, from this point, just come out. Okay, from this point here, just go out, slightly shorter. And then here we're gonna curve it in. So just come across, and then we're gonna draw one curve connecting that. So just go up. And then this one's gonna curve down. Alright, so that's the back, and then let's finish up the details right here in the middle. So there's gonna be a wire here, so we're gonna have to erase out some of the details, but let's just do that last. Let's finish up these details here. So right in the center, add 1 rectangle, come down from here, make a little line, another rectangle, same thing up here, make a little line. So now we got 3 rectangles. And from the center here, we'll just add 1 line. Alright, and then now let's add in the details here. So this one's got a little slant to it. So right in the middle of here, okay, I'm gonna draw 1 slant. And then divide this up. So in the middle, another slant, same thing, just kind of stop short right here. And then we'll connect it with a curve. So this kind of cuts away, and we're gonna see the details inside. Alright, from there we'll add in the finish up the details up front here. So right here, just go in. I'm gonna draw 2 rectangles inside. So just close it off. And then in here, just 1 more, smaller one. And then in this space right here, I'm gonna draw 2 lines coming down, or coming across, and then close it with the same slant as this. All right, and then for the very tip right here, got one line across, and then right in the center, I'm just gonna add one little rectangle. All right, so for the wire, it's gonna go all across the 3 sections, but let's start out right in the middle here. I'm just gonna draw kind of like a little wavy line, and just turn that into like a little tube. And then from this here, I'm just gonna continue on, connect it to this slant right here. And then the very tip here is gonna bend in, so we're just gonna draw a little curve like this. So we're gonna have to erase out these lines right here. Okay, so this part's gonna go all the way back. So continue with this line, and I'll just connect it to that corner. And then from the top here, just go all the way back here and just kind of hook it right in there. And then let's see, it's got those little braces for the wire, so I'm just gonna add a couple of lines inside. Alright, so we'll be able to see it better once I start coloring this wire red, and also getting rid of these lines here. So that's pretty much it. And then now for the little details inside, right here in this spot, so I'm gonna add some lines here. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same. I'm just adding some little wirings and kind of gadgets inside. So maybe, let's see, it's got some more wirings in here. Maybe a bigger tube here inside. Alright, so that is it for this lightsaber. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.